Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're creating a super creative and visually stunning design that blends modern 3D effects with sleek text and image layouts. Whether you're building a portfolio, a gallery, or just experimenting with modern web design, this project is a must-try. So grab your coffee, open your code editor, and let's get started. So here is the basic code of HTML where I had already linked CSS page. First up, let's look at the outermost div with the class container. This serves as the foundation of our layout, kind of like a box that holds everything together. Inside the container, we have another div with the class wrapper. This element is usually used to apply specific layout adjustments or visual effects. Moving inside the wrapper, we have a div with the class img box. As the name suggests, this is a dedicated area to hold the image. Now, inside the img box, there's another div with the class img skew. This is where we'll apply a skew effect to give our image a cool, dynamic look. Inside this div, we have the actual image tag, which is used to display our image. Next up, outside the wrapper but still inside the container, we have a div with the class text. This section is all about the content that complements our image. Inside this text div, there's an h3 tag with the title bird. Headers like this are great for structuring your content and grabbing attention. Below the header, we have another div containing some placeholder text. This is a block of descriptive text that could be replaced with anything relevant to your project. Now let's move on to CSS. We'll start with the body tag, which defines the overall look and feel of the page. We added padding, 30 pixel to give some space around the edges of the page. The background color is set to F8, F4, F2. A soft, neutral tone that complements the design. The font is set to Arial or sans serif. This gives the text a clean and modern look. Text align. Center ensures all content on the page is horizontally centered. Next, we style the container class. This is the outer box that holds everything together. It's set to display inline block, meaning it wraps tightly around its content without taking the full width of the page. Width of 240 pixel. Text align. Center. Moving on to the wrapper, this is where we house our skewed image. Display, inline block. Height, 230 pixel. Width, 200 pixel. Border radius, 0, 0, 20 pixel, 20 pixel gives it rounded bottom corners, softening the design. Overflow. Hidden ensures any content inside that goes beyond its boundaries will be clipped, which is important for the skewed image effect. Now let's take a look at the image inside the wrapper. Margin. -35 pixel 0, 0, -70 pixel shifts the image to fit better within the wrapper. Height. 250 pixel. Transform. Skew 0 degree, -13 degree. This skews the image diagonally, creating that cool slanted effect. The img skew div sits around the image and counterbalances the skew. Display, inline block. Margin, 30 pixel 0, 0, 0. Padding, 0. Height, 250 pixel. Width, 200 pixel. The background, has C8, C2, C2 adds a light gray background for contrast. The border radius, 20 pixel. Overflow hidden. Transform. Skew, 0 degree, 13 degree offsets the image skew. This ensures the image sits upright when viewed within the container. Now let's style the text section, which includes our title and description. Margin, -120 pixel 0, 0, 0 to overlap it slightly with the image box, creating a layered effect. Padding, 120 pixel 20 pixel 20 pixel 20 pixel ensures the text inside has space around it, with extra padding at the top to accommodate the overlap. Background is set to white to make the text pop. Font size, 14 pixel. Border radius, 20 pixel adds smooth edges. Box shadow, 0, 0, 10 pixel RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.2 gives it a soft shadow. Line height, 19 pixel. Finally, the text H3 styles the header inside the text section. Margin, 20 pixel 0, 10 pixel 0. The color is set to a bright yellow that adds a pop of color. The font size is slightly larger at 18 pixel to make the title stand out, and that's it. With this CSS, we've created a clean and visually appealing layout that highlights the image and text. The skew effect adds a dynamic touch, making the design stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative web design tips. See you in the next video.